Our last reuse question item is create question set. Create question set is sort of a mixture of find questions and create random block. In create question set, you find a set of questions from which you want Learn to pull a random set of questions based on the number of questions that you define. So let's pick create question set, and in this case I want to pick a pool of essay questions that students would need to answer. So I'm going to change my question type to essay, and I don't care if the essays come from chapter 2 or chapter 3, but I'm going to pick I can't quite read all of those, so I'm going to change the question display to full display, and now I can read the entire question. So I like this one, I like this one, I like this one. Notice that this question was already used, and it tells me that it's on the week 2 quiz chapters 2 and 3. So I know I've already used that one. I don't want to put it back on there. We like this one, we like this one, and we like this one. The tug of war question is a good one. And let's put in a potential energy one. The dropping pencil is always good. So I've got a mixture of questions from chapter 2 and chapter 3. I click submit. Now I have a question set, and I want those to be worth 4 points. And I can change the number of questions to display. In this particular case, I only want 2 essay questions total on my test, and I'm already using one that everybody sees. So in this case, I just want 1 question to display from the random block. Notice I didn't click submit here. Also notice that we don't have the extra credit option here. You only have extra credit available on the find question option. So there we have 24 questions, 22 of them are multiple choice, 2 essays. One is one that every student will see, and the other one comes from a set of 9 questions that I defined. Learn will randomly pick a question from that set to display to the students. If I want to review which questions I put in the set, I can expand the questions in the set option, and I can decide, well, maybe this one is really not very good, and I can remove that question. And now I just have 8 questions in the set. If I wanted to add questions, I could also select Add Questions, and I go back to my same Create Question Set option. Let's change it essay, and let's put that question back in. And now we're back to 9 questions in the question set. All right, so we have created our test. However, the students don't see it yet because we haven't deployed it. Deploying it is the next step.